Hi guys, let's do the section 4. So section 3, we went through all the factorizing options. We could use long division, short division, synthetic division. Hopefully you're able to do it now. This is one special case for cubic. When you have cubic plus cubic or cubic minus cubic form. Okay, and they even gave the name sum and difference of cubes. Basically what they're talking is a cube plus b cube. If we have that, we have formula. Okay, the formula you can remember is cube form a plus b, since that's plus. Okay, and then a square, and then you need to write down the opposite of this sign is minus ab plus b squared. Okay, that makes sense? When that is sum. So we call sum 1. This one is a cube minus b cube. Since it's negative here, a minus b is same, a square, b square, all the same. The middle one is opposite of that sign, ab, so plus ab. Can you do that? Can you do it? You should be able to do it. So the first one, let's do it together. Speak out. A plus b, yes, and then a square minus ab plus b square. The next one, let's do it together. Yep. A minus b, yep. A square plus ab plus b square. Sounds good? So you should able to remember. You use quite a bit, okay? Should able to remember this. Maybe I'm you write down one more in your exercise book. Just check you remember. Let's do the example 1 using it. I'll just put apart and do one by one, but you don't have to do this way. A cube minus, okay, x cube minus y cube, a cube minus b cube form, isn't it? Except the number. No. So you try to get, okay, 1000 is 10 times 10 times 10. So 10 cube. So I can write down x cube minus 10 cube y cube. Previously, we learned a square b square equals ab square. They're the same thing, wasn't it? Make sure you remember that. So in this case, I can write down x cubed minus 10y cubed. Excellent, guys. So a is x, b is 10y, isn't it? Remember that a cube minus b cube form. So that is same as now we're factorizing. Oh, x a minus b, x minus minus 10y, good, and then square plus xy, 10xy, 100 y square. Make sure when you square both number and letter. Done it? So is that correct? Okay, excellent. Next question. Does it make sense? So you need to be able to check that. You probably practice a couple more questions. I'll give you more at the end. Let's do that. Can you do x cubed plus 64? Okay, can you do that? You should get x cubed plus 4 cubed. and then continue when x is a, 4 is b. So you can continue and just write down, I'll just do that. 64x cubed minus 125. I'll just write down y cubed. I'll change the question bit. Then you can also continue that, check the number and letter and number and letter. Let's do this together. But can you do it this first and solve that, and then come back, pause it, and do these two questions. I won't do that with you guys because I assume you're able to do that, but let's do the next question together. Okay, you pause it and start first. Okay, you've done it. Then let's do that. 64. When I look at it, I know it's a cube and cube. Oh, so must be I'm using cubic and cubic here. 64. How do you get 64? Some number times 4, isn't it? Will give 64. So 4 cubed. So 4 cubed x cubed minus 125. 5 times 5 times 5. 5 cubed. 5 cubed y cubed. Okay. Then 4x cubed minus 5y cubed. You with me? I use that. And then 4x is a, 5y is b. This is the same as a cubed minus b cubed. A minus b, a squared plus ab plus b squared. That's the formula we have. So let's continue here. Oh, don't worry about that. It's from the other class. So in this case, a minus b, 4x minus 5y, a squared, 16x squared, and then a, b plus 20xy, 25y squared. That's what you should have. You guys with me? Yeah. So just look at this way. When I see cubic plus cubic or cubic minus cubic, even the x and y or the other parts, and then somewhere I need to work that out number. If the number still also look like cubic and cubic, I'm able to do that. Sounds good? Yeah. But let's go back to our factorization. I mean, helping my son, like grade 8 son, since he's staying home. Just helping his start to learn factorization, yeah, factorizing. And I asked him, what's the definition of factorizing? And he said, oh. So what's the definition of factorizing? I'm asking you guys. This is inverse process of what? Expanding it, isn't it? So what is the expansion or expanding? You open the bracket. Well, I mean, I'm simplifying here, but it is basically correct. Yeah. So when you factorize, same for grade 8. Doesn't matter. You know, we got something that looks a bit more complex, but still the same. The first thing you need to do is checking any possibilities of highest common factor. So next question. 2x plus 6 cubed plus 16. Okay. Before we're doing it, always just look anything. Oh, I can see this even number, then I can divide by 2, isn't it? Yeah. So 2x plus 6 cubed 8. And then I'll see any possible, oh, this is cube, therefore any chance of cubic this one? Yeah, looks like it. 2x plus 6q plus 2q, isn't it? So therefore, this one looks like a cubed plus b cubed, a plus b, a squared minus ab plus b squared, according to that formula. So I'll just follow that. A x plus 6, b plus 2. I'll just write it down, bracket, bracket, a squared, x plus 6 squared, minus a x plus 6, b 2. I can do it at once as well, but I'll just write down this time, plus b 2 squared. Okay, and 2 x plus 8, yeah, and then we'll do the inside, x squared plus 12x plus 36 minus 2x minus 12. Make sure when you open it, there's 2x plus 12, and then minus for everything, isn't it? So you could make mistake here. That's a very common mistake, but don't make mistake there. Plus 4, 2x plus 8, x squared is only x squared. We simplify it, 12x minus 2x plus 10x, right? Yes, minus 8 plus 28. And I opened it up, which means everything is times already, so all I need to do is 2x plus 8, x squared plus 10, x plus 28. Correct? Yeah. You guys okay? So I think you could make mistake there. Make sure distribute negative both. That's probably some way you can make mistake. But other than that, make sure you do this same question again. That's a good question, yeah? All right. So finish that lesson. Let's continue solving cubic. I'll make separate video though, okay? Thanks guys.